G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. It's very good to have you here in the studio. We're talking about Amazon today. We're talking about starting an Amazon business up and running, and it's very important that your first product, so if you're new to this, if you've never sold anything online before, if you've never sold anything on Amazon before, even if you've never bought anything on Amazon before, for your first product, you've got to be very careful and you've got to steer away from fad items. So this is a particular product. This is actually a product that I helped bring in for somebody, and it is, you turn on, I don't know whether you can see that, it actually lights up, and it actually looks really good at night, right? It looks really good. Now guys, this particular product was sold at a festival. Now, would you normally be able to sell this if a festival wasn't happening and everyone's having fun, everyone wants to look up, stand out, right? No, not really, right? This is what we call a seasonal item, a fad item. Other examples would be Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations, outfits, right? Halloween outfits, Easter merchandise, right? This stuff is fad, it's seasonal, it only has a short lifespan, right? And then you've got to wait another year for it to come around. So ideally, you don't want to jump on niches that have those very short time lifespans. You want to jump on stuff that is used every day or every 2 or 3 days, all right? So keep that in mind. If you're new to Amazon, you're thinking about hot products, you're not too sure what to jump onto, narrow your search down to products that are used either every day or every 2 or 3 days, because if they use it, the more often they use it, the more time it'll break, more time it needs to be replaced, more time it needs to be fixed, right? An example would be baby products, right? They're always eating stuff, they're always breaking stuff, they're throwing things off their, the crib, the chair, the food chair, right? Everything's breaking, right? Dog toys, right? Same thing, pet toys. You give it to the pet, they chew it up. What do you have to do as an owner? You have to buy another one, right? So it's a good niche to get into, and if there's loyalty, there's brand, they recognize that brand, and they love your customer service, and they're gonna come back and order again from you on Amazon. So what I'm saying, guys, is don't do seasonal stuff, don't do fad stuff, do stuff that has a regular use, all right? So fishing equipment, camping equipment, that stuff's okay, but it's not used every day. It's something like a someday item, not an everyday item, all right? So focus on the more everyday stuff. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. My name's Alex, author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I've been helping Amazon sellers get started on Amazon, find their product, find their niche, find their suppliers, and help them launch their very first branded their own product on Amazon. If you're looking to find out more and you want to get in on selling on Amazon, you want to start your own Amazon FBA business, connect with me. The website is below here, guys. I've got a free video program on my website, and we've actually got free training videos there as well. So check it out. I'm doing a live training on the Gold Coast in a few months as well, so check that out as well. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you know somebody who is interested in starting a business on Amazon, please like, share, and comment on this video. All right, so guys, have an awesome day. My name's Alex Ryan, and to your Amazon success. Bye-bye for now.